SUGP, BINI, CARM, CDT, and VNRX. These stocks are on the dip. This is Friday, the 10th of October, 2025, pre market session. So SUGP has recovered some of the losses it printed because the stock it was contracting. It was contracting the expansion that took it to the highs of this intraday high of 13.65 on 13.65 on Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday the 8th and into Thursday the 9th. So it's contracting that expansion, and it has contracted that the expansion has rebounded. Okay, intraday high, or rather, upper projections are saying, let's see, 7.09 and 9.94. Let's see, is it an intraday? Let's see what we have. Okay, just 9.94 is an upper projection. Okay, however, the extrapolation is saying that it's not going to hold. It's going to get rejected by midday today, and then after that, the contraction may resume. Yeah, and after that, maybe from Thursday, the 16th of October, we may go into a contraction. Okay, so price pressure momentums. Let's see what we have down here. Okay, they are still trending. They're still trending because obviously you can see the price is above all of its moving averages, including all of its moving averages we have here on this chart. So they are still trending. No negative derivative. Okay, positions opened 40 hours ago, still very much in profit. 84 hours ago, still very much in profit. And indeed, the ones opened over 200, over 800 hours ago, they're still very much in profit. Okay, projections are saying previous projections we have 9.46, 11.05, 12.03, and indeed also downward projections 3.58, 4.44, and 5.84. Let's see what we have. I think some time ago the company had a notice of a delisting notice of which the company has filed an appeal against. I think it didn't have enough shares or something like that. We have here the shares of outstanding is, let's see what we have. Shares outstanding is 1.385 million shares. Okay, it's obviously a low float stock, so that's probably why it's also trending amongst other things. Yeah, okay. So the loss is now 17.06. Okay, let's see what we have for BINI. BINI down 59.29%, also a low float stock, but you have to deal with this with a batch pull. Yeah, you have to be careful with BINI. Yeah, let's see what's going on. BINI severely bearish. This is its 4-hour chart. Okay, projections are saying lower prices will continue to print all the way towards Monday the 13th pre-market session, and then after that we may see a bounce, a squeeze that may take it all the way towards Monday the 20th of October. Here it's saying that the extrapolation of the price is 14.26. You can't rely on that, but it has a very tiny float. Look at this. Look at what I'm talking about here. Yeah. Let's see what we have. 505,000 shares. So the float could even be less than that. Okay, this the company said that they're not going to do any reverse splits until the next 3 years. Bollinger Innovation said, yeah, that was way back in September, that its recent reverse split will be the last such action for at least 3 years. Okay, so you'd have to be really careful. But I know the attraction is its the low float it has. Okay, price pressure momentums are severely bearish as well. Yeah, you can see that everything is severely negative and bearish. The stock is way below all of its moving averages. So you need to be careful. But I know it's also a draw. It's a penny stock. It's a penny stock now. Yeah, 0.5, 0.552. It's going to be attracting people. So But just be really careful, very, very careful with BINI. Okay, the next is CARM. CARM down 37.5%. Intraday low printed yesterday's regular session. 0.12, sorry, pre-market session 0.126, $0.13. I think okay, it recovered from those lows, but got a rejection since. Let's see what we have. CARM. Okay, so there it has recovered from those lows, from the low of 0.13 dollars. Then extrapolation is saying that a bounce is imminent. No guarantee that that will happen. Going all the way towards Tuesday, the 14th of October, pre-market session. Then after that, from the regular session of that day, a contraction will kick in to contract this imminent bounce. Okay. Currently, projections are saying 0. Let's see what we have. The current price is 0.1712. So the current upper projection is saying 0.2731, 0.2731, 0. Yeah, okay, 0.2673, 0.2326, 0.2387, 0.2487. Even higher projections, we have 0.3102, 0.3312, 0.3442, and also downward projections beginning from 0.1560, 0.091, 0.0639. These ones were in place as of the 30th of September. Selling pressure severely bearish. Nothing here is positive at all for CARM. CRM, let's see what we have. It's a US company, severely bearish, only positive since the last 6 months. Um, okay, not a low float. I can't really, well, I can't say for sure if it's a low float or not, but the shares outstanding are 41.79. It doesn't say everything about what the float is. Okay, let's see what's going on with CDT. CDT down 16.92%. Intraday low in this pre-market session 0.4811. Okay, CDT. Okay, lower prices are expected to keep laying out up till Wednesday, the 15th of October. Then after that, we may go into a consolidation up till Thursday, the 16th. Then, well, all in all, it's just the same pattern consolidation expected to remain in place up till the close of Monday the 20th of October. Okay, projections are saying 0.8215. Current price is 0.5392. Okay. Before now, as of the 9th of October, projections were, okay, yeah, same 0.8215. Let's see. As of Wednesday, as of Friday the 30th of October, from Friday the 3rd of October, we had 1.42, 1.74, 1.94. The odds of those happening are not exactly, I can't exactly say what those are. Okay. Yeah, the stock, the algos were projecting prices at a premium to current levels from the 2nd of September up till yeah, Friday the 3rd of October. So over a 1 month period with a break in between. The algos were expecting a bounce to happen, but it never happened. But you never know when it's going to happen. At some point, it may or may not. lower prices. Okay, price pressure momentums are severely bearish. However, we have positive derivatives. Three out of the four derivatives on this 4-hour chart are positive, even though the moving averages are severely bearish, severe bearish mode. Yeah, but derivatives are positive. Some of them, most of them, are positive. Two, three quarters of them are positive, indicating that the buyers are here. You can clearly see the stock got a pivot, but it's saying that it may not hold. It may not hold, especially after after the close of Monday's trading session. Let's see what we have for CDT down here. CDT, let's see. Okay, it's a US company. Shares outstanding 3.06. So it's a low float stock as well. Okay. Okay, let's see what we have for VNRX. VNRX down 15.83%. Intraday low yesterday was 0.4472. Yeah. The stock began to plunge yesterday the 9th. Got a pivot today. And the extrapolation is saying that that strength may remain in place up till the close of Monday's trading session, and then after that we may get a contraction. So it's just going to, uh, well, if you like, this negative expansion of this plunge, which is also it's sort of expansion on the bearish to the bearish side. It's expected that it's going to be contracted. You can see the peaks are getting lower and lower based on the extrapolations. Yeah, so that's what it's saying all the way towards Tuesday, the 21st of October, pre-market session. No guarantee that that will be the case. Projections are currently saying 0.4873. Okay, it's a downward projection. Let's see. Previously, we had even higher projections: 0.536, 0.5034, 0.5364, 0.5899, 0.7999, 0.8686, 0.911. These were as of Tuesday, the 7th of October, and as of Friday, the 19th of September, the projections went as high as 0.7429, 0.7898, 0.8189. There's ample room to the upside for the stock. Yeah. Price pressure momentum's severely bearish. Yes, severely bearish, but two out of the four derivatives are positive. The two second derivatives are positive, indicating or validating what we can clearly see, that the bounce has happened. So the buying is occurring within this severe bearish trend that's going on right now. Let's see what's going on with VNRX. Okay, so the company announces pricing $6 million on the retail public offering or common stock, and yeah, I think that may be why the stock is down. Shares outstanding. Let's see. Okay, not a tiny float. Shouldn't be a tiny float. Okay, yeah, severely bearish over the last 1 month and also over the last 1 year, but positive over the last 6 months. It's a mix of things. Okay, it's also a US company. Yeah. So just have a look and see what you make of these stocks. Just be careful with BINI, and thank you very much for watching this video.